Lena sits amidst her vibrant creations, a young artist adrift in a sea of candy sculptures and dancing kites. The soft rain against the window echoes Lena's restless boredom, each drop a whisper of her creative confinement. Lena sighs softly, a wisp of sound lost in the colorful chaos, her creative spirit momentarily subdued. Golden brush unveils adventure from slumber. In the soft light of her room, Lena holds a golden paintbrush, ready to begin. A small red ball magically pops off the page, leaving a trail of golden dust, a sight that fills Lena with disbelief. A small red ball magically pops off the page, leaving a trail of golden dust, a sight that fills Lena with disbelief. Eyes darting nervously towards the door, Lena locks it swiftly, a grin spreading across her face, eager to continue her private marvels. She paints a pile of colorful candy, then a vibrant flying kite. Each creation instantly materializes before her, real and tangible. A gentle knock echoes through Lena's room, breaking the silence. Tommy offers a sweet invitation. "Lena, wanna play? I saved my last cookie for you." A muffled reply drifts from within. "I'm busy." Tommy's hopeful expression fades slightly at Lena's closed door. He lingers for a moment, a silent plea hanging in the air. Defeated, he turns away, the uneaten cookie, a symbol of lost connection. In the quiet of her room, Lena sits at her desk, a magical brush resting in her hand. She attempts to conjure a playful puppy, but the brush remains stubbornly dormant. Its glow now, a dull, lifeless gray. Frustration mounts as she sketches a bicycle, then a rainbow, yet the brush refuses to awaken. Lena's voice echoes in the stillness. "Why won't you work?" Despair washes over her as she clutches the inert brush, whispering, "I should have shared you." Lena gazes out of her window, the gentle breeze playing with the curtains. Below, Tommy is playing on the village green, sunlight glinting off his hair as he shares his toys with the other children. He pauses, his brow furrowed in concentration, as he helps a little girl tie her shoes. Lena watches from above, a soft, tender expression gracing her face. A sudden warmth fills her gaze, a realization igniting within her. Lena turns away from the window, her expression changed. Lena and Tommy stand on the village green near an ancient willow tree. With a sweep of her brush, Lena paints a slide into existence. Tommy meticulously paints the swings, his focus intense. The brush glows, radiating light as they work together. Children flock to the playground, their laughter filling the air. Tommy smiles, watching the joyful chaos unfold. "See? Sharing really does make things better." Lena responds, "Way better."